and we are really in trouble. So the coming in of our well-wishers is a great thing. We want to thank you very much for what has been done. The community is here. We want to work together so that we can do this work as a team. We continue to look after our school so that whenever we have any calamity, we're able to look after it. This is our school. This school belongs to the parents, the community. So we even urge the parents to take care of this school so that we sustain it.
Yes.
Learners can be able to continue to learn. Our aim is really to look after our children because, you know, these children are the future of this country.
Yes.
So we just have to work hard and put our heads together relentlessly. We are here once more really to thank you, our donors, our well-wishers, for what you have done, for what you have put in. May God really bless you and continue this good work.